Ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments, projects with multiple benefits. A common concern today for aquatic environments is the preservation or restoration of their quality. To achieve this, decision makers, managers, designers and engineers must find environmentally friendly solutions in accordance with the Water Framework Directive, the Flood Directive and more recently the Marine Strategy Framework Directive. Numerous actions which are often unknown make it possible to apply these types of solutions. Among them, those relating to ecological engineering are gaining increasing interest due to their various benefits to the environment and its occupants. Rainwater management is a challenge for cities. Saturation of rainwater drainage networks is a source of flooding and pollution. Alternative evacuation solutions exist. Within the city, a valley brings rainwater to green basins arranged in cascades. This structure filters water, removes congestion from rainwater systems, and recharges groundwater. It contributes to the development of biological and landscape diversity and has a high educational quality, promotes evaporation, and helps combat urban heat islands. In the event of heavy rainfall, it reduces the flow released into the river and limits the risk of flooding. This type of work requires maintenance actions. This type of ecological engineering action has many advantages, both in terms of quality of life and for ecology, health and education. In aquatic environments, ecological engineering can contribute to reconciling several objectives within a single project, and thus provide several benefits. It participates in nature-based solutions that rely on healthy, resilient, functional and diversified ecosystems to respond to the effects of global change. For more information, please consult our collective works on ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments.